Have you ever wondered why you are not getting high paid drone jobs even though you bought the newest drone, the latest sensor, you are paying for the best software, and you have invested tens of thousands of dollars into training? Look, I will tell you something most people won't. You might be putting your drone in front of your skills, and when you do that, you are not promoting yourself, you are promoting DJI, Hotel, Wintra, or whoever logos is on your kit. Your entire business becomes a free commercial for equipment companies instead of your own services. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why this happens, why your expensive gear isn't helping you, and what you should focus on before you even think about buying another drone sensor. This might hurt a little, but it will save you years of frustration and a lot of money. I'm Stefan Niculescu, a professional land surveyor with over 20 years on construction and mapping projects around the world. And for the last year, I've been helping drone business owners understand their clients, specialize their services, and actually make money with the equipment they already have. I send out a free weekly newsletter where I share real, practical advice about building a drone business that actually makes money. If you are interested, the link is below. If your marketing sounds exactly like a reseller's marketing, look at my sensor, look at my drone, look at my software, then you are growing their business, not yours, because clients don't care. The only people who care about your drone model are other drone enthusiasts and the people trying to sell you more equipment. Everyone else only care about one thing. Can you solve my problem? This is where it gets real. I get emails like, hey, Stefan, I have a DJI Mavic 4 Enterprise. I have a M350 with L2. I use Pix4D. I bought a powerful workstation, but I don't really know how to use it all. I think my problem can be solved in 1 hour. And every single time, the real issue is they bought the equipment before they learn the service they want to provide. It's like buying a Ferrari before learning how to drive. No matter how expensive the tool is, it won't fix the skill gap. On social media, you constantly hear, this drone replaces surveyor, this software does everything, this sensor can do every service on earth. But look closely who is saying that. It's always the people who want to sell you a drone, a training course, a mapping software, or a subscription. And once they take your money, the support disappears. You ask a question and suddenly it becomes you are using it wrong, your workflow is wrong, or they throw 20 complicated technical terms at you until you blame yourself instead of their false promises. Now you're sitting there with $20,000-$40,000 worth of gear and no clear idea how to deliver an actual service that clients will pay you real money for. The drone becomes an expensive paperweight because nobody taught you the business behind the tool. Let me say this clearly. You need the service before you even think about the drone. You need to understand the client, the industry, the deliverables, the value, the risk, the workflow. Only then you do choose the drone, the sensor, the software. Because if you offer something the clients can easily bring in-house, you will always be cheap and replaceable. But if you offer something they can't do themselves because they lack the time, the background, or the expertise, your value instantly increases. Your value is your survey knowledge, your construction expertise, your engineering experience, your oil and gas and inspection background, your ability to interpret data, not just collecting it. The drone is just a flying tripod, and you are the real asset. Two people can fly the same drone and get completely different results because the person behind the tool is what creates value. But what actually makes you money? Here's the real formula. Stop talking like DJI and start talking like a problem solver. People hire you because you understand the sites, you understand the risks, you understand the data, you understand their world, not because you have a drone that can fly 38 minutes in ideal condition. So if you want to grow in this industry, stop leading with the drone and start leading with the skills behind the drone. Promote the problems you solve, not the equipment you bought. And if you want more real insights like this every week, just join my free newsletter.